Hey there, fellow content creators. Are you ready to transform your YouTube game and take your content creation to the next level? Well, you're in the right place because today I'm introducing you to Derive AI YouTube Video Pipeline, your ultimate AI-powered YouTube video automation pipeline. Let's dive straight in. Ever felt overwhelmed by the endless tasks of creating and uploading videos? From brainstorming ideas, scripting, and finding the right visuals, it can be a lot. But imagine having a powerful AI tool that handles all that for you. Sounds like a dream, right? Meet Derive AI YouTube Video Pipeline. Here's the scoop on what makes Derive AI YouTube Video Pipeline a game changer. First up, trend-driven topic research. Our AI scans the latest trends, giving you hot topics that are sure to grab attention. Next, automated stock video selection. No more endless searching for the perfect clip. Our AI picks the best ones for you. But that's not all. Derive AI YouTube Video Pipeline can generate smooth, natural voiceovers and perfectly written scripts. It's like having a professional team at your fingertips. And the best part, it's all customizable. You get endless templates and creative tools to add your unique touch to each video. Now let's talk about hands-free automation. This pipeline eliminates 90% of the manual workload. Yep, you heard that right. Imagine producing over 10 videos per hour, effortlessly. That's the power of Derive AI YouTube Video Pipeline. So, who can benefit from this revolutionary tool? YouTubers looking to scale their channels, social media marketers aiming to boost engagement, video editors seeking efficiency, and even passive income seekers and investors. Derive AI YouTube Video Pipeline has got you covered. Now let's take a peek into the future of content creation. AI automation is the next big thing. It's not just about saving time, it's about staying ahead of the curve. Imagine having more time to focus on what you love, creating content that resonates with your audience. And if you're still on the fence, check out the example videos created using Derive AI YouTube Video Pipeline on our YouTube channel, Derive AI Trader. You'll see just how powerful and seamless this tool is. So, don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your YouTube channel. With Derive AI YouTube Video Pipeline, you can create high-quality, engaging content at scale. Watch the full video to see it in action and start creating like a pro today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.